Wow, today's the perfect day for a bike ride. I can't wait to ring my new bell. Let's go. Just look at my bike. It's got the coolest stickers and these fun streamers. And the bell? Super shiny. I'm ready for adventure. Safety. First helmet on tight. I look awesome and ready. Here I come. World. Okay. Deep breath. Pedal. Push. And I'm rolling. The flowers look so pretty as I go by. This feels amazing. Hi, Mrs. Green. Hi, puppy. I love riding my bike. Everything looks so fun from here. Ring ring. Oh, that hill looks steep, but I can do it if I try my best. Just keep going, one pedal at a time. I'm strong. This is so fast. Look at me go. The wind feels awesome, like I'm flying. Wow, the park is full of cool stuff. There's the big swing and so many flowers. Hello, little squirrel. Hey, Maya. Hey, Max. Let's ride together. Riding with friends is the best. Let's make a bike parade. Follow me around the fountain. Look at our streamers and balloons. We're the coolest team ever. Let's have a snack under this big tree. Want a sandwich? Riding makes me hungry, but it's so much fun when we share. What a fun day. The sunset looks beautiful, and I loved biking with my friends. See you in the next adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun stories.